Good morning. Welcome to Planet Mojo. Today I'm going to try to get the burning done. It's a little bit breezy today, but you just burn in the opposite direction of the wind. You burn into the wind, so that shouldn't be a problem. It's not windy, it's just a little bit of a breeze. The most difficult area is going to be right next to the barn. The grass doesn't go right up to the barn, but it's fairly close. So I'll have to be careful over there. I'm mostly just going to use this propane torch. If need be, if it needs a little bit more accelerant, I'll use the drip torch. But what else do I have to burn? I also have... Oh, you can't even see it from here. Hello, horses. Oh, that piece of wood is not supposed to be down there. I don't know how that got down there. I'm also going to burn down at the end of the road there, and I thought I had another place, but we'll see. So, I do believe I have all that I need. I just got to make damn sure I got a lighter, and I'm going to head over and burn that one first. Okay, I just used that survey tape to determine the exact direction of the wind, and it's coming south-southwest, so generally from the area of our new neighbor over there. So I'm going to light the edge along next to the barn first, and I don't even know if I'll need to light the other end. Hopefully it'll just burn over to the other side, but you light the trailing edge first, or the downwind edge first. So let's get at it. Okay. I don't even know what the hell that is. But that should do it. I have my, I call it a mud flap, but it's for putting out grass fires like this along the edges, but this is pretty much out. Not much any place it can go. You know, once it gets into this stuff, if you've seen any of the burns from last year, it can creep a little bit, real slow, but this stuff's too damp. The ground's too damp and there's not enough fuel to go much further. So any place that's still smoking, I'm gonna just stomp that out and then move on to the next one. This is all I needed to burn. And what I really need to do is just rake this all into the middle, and then I'll add like them corn stalks or something, add a little wood and start a fire in the middle and get rid of the rest of this stuff. Then hopefully that has killed all of the brambles and stuff, but if it hasn't, I'll spray that with 2,4-D. The road that we're putting in is going right between that stake and that stake. Those are where trees are going in. So the road's going to go this way and then curve and go right where the greenhouse is now. So this group of trees is coming out. Well, all these trees are coming out. This tree is staying. This is a black oak. And I'm not sure if any of these other ones are staying or not. And then this area over here and on this side is getting planted with big blue stem, which gets very tall, and that'll block off the view from the road. So, you know, if we're sitting back here when we have company or something, we don't have a view of neighbors in every direction. I got to get something over here for the same reason. There's a couple trees that are staying right in there, and I'm planting a tree. The stake's right there. Oh, I think there's another one around there somewhere, but now we know next year, or probably in the fall, we're going to have to plant something to kind of block the view of that house. Kind of sucks having, you know, all the neighbors with windows pointing at you. We wanted to live here for the privacy, and now it's becoming like a little city subdivision. But anyways, I'm going to head down and burn down at the end of the road, and possibly I have the oat patches here and here, but this one I will probably dice the stuff up and make a big bonfire and then burn the oats at the same time. So I'm down here. It's kind of windy, but the wind's coming straight at me, so I'm gonna start right here, and I don't know how much it's gonna burn. I got the green stuff coming up in the middle. Like I said in a previous video, I have to kill all this so it's easier for the skid steer to get in here and shape this. This is just going to be a V groove going all the way down and around the corner there instead of a ditch. So I'll be able to drive right through a row and go right up onto the road, or drive through and turn around to get up another row. So let's get this burned.